Oh my god! It is breathable, soft, and so lightweight that you even forget you're wearing a wig. How cool is that? The HD lace is serving real scalp. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Cheesy's world is shining so bright. No holding back, no playing it small. I'm just here to give it my all. This is me, me and me.
Hello. 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 Hi Happy fam, and welcome back to my channel where we always keep it real, raw and relevant. I am your favorite Happy Bowl, C to the H to the I to the Z to the I, cheesy like cheese. And if this happens to be your first time stopping by this channel, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, oh my gosh, here are your kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. You know my love for you is immeasurable. You are so welcome back. I am a lady with happy vibes, and a daily dose of my channel will leave you even happier. No doubt, it's for real, so do not go anywhere. Now back to today's business. Let's go. Today's video is very juicy, guys, trust me, and thanks to Luvme Hair. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Luvme's brand new wig, which is the Effortlessly Chic layered haircut wavy glueless HD lace wig in the stunning salt and pepper shade. Yeah, you heard me, salt and pepper shade. This beauty is here to change the wig game, trust me. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Of course, beautiful packaging as always, so classy and chic.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please.
Okay, first of all, can we just take a moment to admire this wig? Can you see what I'm seeing right here? The layered cut is everything. Those soft, bouncy curls, the perfect C part, and that front lift. Babe, this is sophistication in a wig. And let's talk about the color. Salt and pepper is having its moment right now. It's giving confidence. It's giving timeless. It's giving classy. It's giving I woke up like this. I mean realness. Can you see this? Now I know what you're thinking, but is it beginner friendly? Listen sis, Luvme understood the assignment. This is a 1 second install wig. Yes, you heard me right. 1 second, like you literally just put it on, adjust it, and boom, you're ready to slay. No glue, no extra steps, just pure convenience and flawless vibes all the way. Now let me show you. So right now I'm going to cut off the excess lace and get this beauty on. So right here I'm just applying my makeup powder just to further blend it to my skin tone. Okay, let's get this beauty on. I am so excited.
I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet.
So I just noticed it has like a C curve here that can just rest over your ears. It's very comfortable. So that's a plus. That's a plus. Are you all seeing this? Oh my god, this is giving rich auntie's vibe. Rich auntie, rich auntie's vibe. You see what I'm saying? I think I'm just gonna take off my jacket, okay? Oh my gosh, wow. The lace is practically invisible. It melts right into my skin. And look at this natural hairline. Like, it's giving scalp. It's giving realness. I mean, it's giving flawless vibes all the way. I didn't even have to pluck a single hair. It came pre-plucked. Can you see what I'm saying? And right here, I'm just going to use my all-time favorite melting spray from the Frontal Queen. You don't really need to do this. This is just me being a little extra, okay? It's totally optional. Next, I'll go in with my customized Luvme melting band to further melt this lace.
Got
Wow. Oh my God. What is this? Now I'm gonna do my makeup off camera and oh my God. This wig is so versatile too. You want a chic side part? Easy as breeze. Feeling bold with a front lift for extra volume? Oh, done. And because of the layered cut, the curls fall naturally into place no matter how you style it. It is literally the wig for every mood and occasion.
Shine on my body.
Now let's get into the details. Ladies, this wig is indeed a game changer. It is breathable, soft, and so lightweight that you even forget you're wearing a wig. How cool is that? The HD lace is serving real scalp. Can you just see this? No, can you just take a good look at this? All I did, which is very, very optional, was just to apply my melting spray, and that's it. That is it. It is serving real scalp. Like, what in the realness is this? Look, ladies, I don't care what you think, okay? But this is my hair. It's my real hair, okay? It's growing from my scalp, as you can see. It's indeed a 1-second install without any kind of manipulation. All you have to do is just wear it on your head, adjust it to fit your hairline, comb it out, and boom, you are good to go. Like, just like that. And the salt and pepper color blends so beautifully. It is indeed sophisticated and timeless. Come on, take a good look at me. Can't you see how it is on me? Oh my God. Let me feel myself. Ooh. Plus, the cap construction is super comfortable and it fits securely because of the adjustable straps and the comb. So no more sleeping, no discomfort, just all day wearability. Can we talk about how natural this looks in broad daylight? I mean, the salt and pepper color is given. It is given. So whether you're running errands, going to brunch, or heading to a meeting, this wig keeps you looking effortlessly chic. It's like having a personal hairstylist on call. Now let's be real. Great hair shouldn't come at the cost of comfort or time. And this wig is proof that you can have it all. I mean, the ease of the 1-second install, the luxury of the natural looking lace, and the versatility of the layered curls. Oh my God. Love me. Thank you so much for making me love me the more. I mean, come on, I look so sophisticated. All right, happy fam, that's the tea on the effortlessly chic layered wig by Luvme. If you are ready to step up your wig game and make your life so much easier, this wig is a must-have. I have linked it in the description box below, and you can use my special code to get a discount. So girl, don't walk. Run to get yours now, because I know this wig is selling out so fast. So don't be left behind. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. And of course, let me know in the comment section what your favorite feature of this wig is. Is it the 1-second install, the natural looking lace, or the salt and pepper color? You know I love to hear from you. And if you've been watching me up to this point and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It will cost you absolutely nothing. Just click on this red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Remember, it's your girl Cheesy like cheese, and this is me being unapologetically me, literally. Thank you for watching. Until I see you next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and keep slaying right.
Take me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic, baby. Come